As we go into the day tomorrow, we're going to be dealing with three different things we have to watch out for with this storm system. One of the main ones being very heavy rainfall, and you add that to all of the snow melt we've had this week. We have a flash flood watch that is in place for the entire viewing area starting tomorrow afternoon, rolling through Christmas Day. The only exceptions right now are Bedford and Fulton counties not included in this flash flood watch, but likely that may be expanded before tomorrow when the rain starts. And then we also have a winter storm watch in effect for Garrett and Grant counties. That goes late on Christmas Eve, rolling into Christmas Day, as that rainfall will change over to a brief shot of very heavy snowfall before this system is all said and done. So again, a couple of things we're keeping an eye out for. Overall today, though, it's quiet. Clouds have now already started to return. We have that very filtered sunshine under that high cloud cover here today, but the thicker cloud deck is off to the west still, right along that cold front. So we will just be dealing with those high clouds. And again, they will increase in coverage even more so by the end of the day, to where we may not have much sunshine at all as we get toward the overnight hours tonight. So high clouds are hanging with us here. That storm tomorrow brings with it that heavy rainfall, the gusty, if not damaging winds, upwards of 35 to 45 miles an hour, could down some trees and power lines. And we're going to be going from the 50s and 60s tomorrow all the way down to the 20s by Christmas morning, and that sort of temperature drop could lead to a flash freeze where any of that fresh rainfall could turn to black ice on the roadways getting into Christmas morning. So definitely something you'll have to watch out for if you're going to be out and about on Christmas Day. So today, very quiet. The rest of your day, no worries at all. We're going to have the clouds returning overnight, and then as we roll into Thursday morning, we're still looking at right before sunrise, the 5, 6, 7 o'clock time frame for those first rain showers to move in. It will mainly still just be rain showers, but look at this, how this rainfall turns very steady from west to east then as we go into the afternoon, and you can expect that heaviest of precipitation to occur as we roll into the early overnight hours at least. And there's that divide from rain straight over to snowfall as we roll into Christmas morning. Again, the snow should be brief and not accumulate all that much for most of the four-state region, but far western locations could see a brief few inches of snowfall. And as far as rain is concerned, we're still looking at about 1.25 inches to 2.25 inches of precip total in that short amount of time, which is why flash flooding is going to remain a concern as we continue into the day tomorrow. So that's the main threat here. The damaging winds also something to keep a very close eye on, especially tomorrow night going into Christmas morning. And like I mentioned, black ice really is potentially going to be on the roadways there as we get into Christmas morning. After all of that, it stays very chilly, very cold through the rest of the holiday weekend, but we start to rebound temperatures with a chance at some mixed precipitation still in the picture by next Monday.